cost-effective repairs. Save more with Miami Appliance Repair. In the long run, repairing your appliances with Miami Appliance Repair can be more economical than replacing them. Modern appliances just don't last as long as they used to. Where once we could expect a lifespan of 15 to 30 years, now we're down to just 5 to 8 years. Maintain quality. Trust the durability of older models. Older appliances were built to last, and keeping them running with timely repairs can often be a smarter choice. New appliances might come with fancy features, but they lack the robustness of older models. When issues arise, having our expert technician repair your appliance can maintain that enduring quality. Frequent fixes, a testament to appliance resilience. Frequent repairs aren't just a sign of wear, they're an opportunity to fine-tune your appliance's performance, ensuring it continues to function effectively. Regular maintenance by a professional can prevent the frequent breakdowns associated with newer appliances. Even older appliances can become energy efficient with the right modifications. Matt from Miami Appliance Repair can update certain components so your appliance runs more efficiently, saving you money without the need for a costly new purchase. Availability of expert repairs. Call or text. Miami Appliance Repair. Don't let the hunt for hard-to-find parts discourage you. Matt has access to a wide network of suppliers and can often source even the most elusive components. Call or text Matt at 305-735-9122 for quick, reliable service.